In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the coolant reservoir bottle on your Toyota Tundra. Remove the 10mm bolt using a socket. Remove the overflow hose from the radiator. Pull your coolant bottle straight up. You can open the cap or use the hose and pour your extra coolant into your new bottle. Transfer this hose over to the new bottle. Pinch the clamp and pull the hose off. Swap the coolant hose over to the new bottle. There's a little pin on the bottom. We're going to slide that into the grommet. Install the bolt. Snug the bolt. Install the hose. With the new reservoir installed, make sure you refill it to the max line.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.